In November of 1988, the FDA, accompanied by U.S. Marshals, seized a large quantity of black currant oil, about $100,000 worth, claiming, quote, it contained an unsafe food additive, black currant oil. The FDA held that the black currant oil was an additive because, they said, it was sold in gelatin capsules. They stated the gelatin capsule containing the black currant oil was the food, and the black currant oil itself was a food additive.
The FDA stated that it was pursuing this rather bizarre approach through the courts to establish a precedent that could be used as another tool for enforcement. The FDA held the black currant oil until the product was spoiled and no longer could be sold, although it eventually lost the case. In fact, in deciding in favor of the manufacturer, the court admonished the FDA that its approach had an Alice in Wonderland tone.
And during the court proceedings, the FDA admitted they had no documentation showing that black currant oil caused health problems.
Next, in May of 1993, in its Dietary Supplement Enforcement Report, the FDA reported to Congress that the active ingredient in black currant oil posed serious health concerns related to convulsions, potential changes in blood clotting, and other tissue changes. Pretty terrible stuff, it would seem.
However, when the manufacturer's attorney formally asked for documentation of these concerns, of which the FDA brought about this 4-year pursuit, the Freedom of Information Officer reported, we have searched our files and find no responsive information or documents in the Center for Food Safety or Applied Nutrition, which supports the above referenced statement.
So you can see why we're a little miffed that the FDA hasn't documented what it says it's documented about health hazards in the dietary supplement marketplace. How many millions of dollars did the FDA spend in its 4-year pursuit of black currant oil? And with nothing to back up its claim that black currant oil was unsafe. Why did they make that unsupported statement to Congress? We're really concerned about the FDA making other statements without substantiation.
Hey, guys, it's only vitamins.
That can happen. The FDA is on the move in spite of mountains of scientific evidence that dietary supplements build health and protect against disease. The FDA still thinks vitamins don't work, and they actually think dietary supplements are snake oils. They also say that supplements aren't safe, in spite of safety records showing that supplements are about 2,000 times safer than over-the-counter drugs and nearly 1 million times safer than prescription drugs. We can't take the chance on the FDA restricting our right to our supplements. Every time you see this commercial, call and write your 2 senators and your representative. Their addresses are in the front of the phone book, in the federal government section under Congress. Tell them to protect your family's health by co-sponsoring the health freedom bills. If you don't, this may happen.
Vitamin C, like in oranges.